Go.
So now we're going to talk about the Supercat. This is a lower body machine. We can do squats with this, we can do jump squats, we can also do a calf raise. With this, very simple, we're going to plate load with the rubber plates. If you notice here at the end, we have these extended bars. We're just going to put this right on. Make sure you put one on either side. Okay? If you put them on, you must put them back when they're done. If not, you're going to put too much stress on the machine over the years. It won't be functional anymore. So, to get into the machine, I step on the platform, lower my body under the pads. There's two handles here on the side. From there, I'm going to stand up tall. When you notice when I stand up, there's going to create a separation between this bar and the blue. Okay, if you notice right now I have a separation. I am now bearing all the weight. Okay, for me to be able to get full range of motion, I have to lower this bar. There's a knob on the side. I'm going to pull that knob out, lower it all the way down. Now I'm free to go. From here, I'm going to get myself set. I can do a regular squat. Notice, I can go all the way down. If for some reason you fell, your knee buckled, the weight was too heavy, if I were to drop down, I'm still safe, okay, because this will stop once it reaches this bar. Okay, so again, I can do a squat, I can put my feet on the incline, and from here, I can also do a squat, and I can go into jump squats. Okay, the next thing that I can do is I can step back to the edge, bringing my shoulders under this angled pad, and from here, I'm still holding on, I can do calf raises. So I go down, middle, extend all the way up, pause, middle, down. So I can do calf raises as well. When I'm done, I'm going to step back in, keeping the weight on my shoulders, good firm stance, bring that pin back out, raise it up, make sure it clicks into place, slowly lower it down, and step out. Again, making sure we put our weight back when we're done.